Hey everyone, I wanted to go ahead and show you how to reclone an assessment that has to be taught that's a power standard. Notice that there are no power standards up here, but we're going to pretend that this has a blue P at the top and that it is a power standard because this particular assessment, as you can see, has a couple of kids who are in red remediation and need to be retaught and retested. So now that I know that they need to be retaught and retested, I've done the reteaching and they need to take the assessment again. I'm going to add assessment, search the community. Because I did not click into the standard, I'm going to need to select the standard. So I'm going to say that it's math, created by all, South Carolina Career and Ready Standards, kindergarten, and then I'm going to select that first standard. You'll notice that the standards have already been recloned, so all I have to do is click Add to Tracker, and it will appear. I'm going to slide my screen back over so that the names don't show up. So after I clicked Add to Tracker, I can select which trackers I want to add it to, only because I have several trackers in my kindergarten system. The particular class that I was in was Miss Ross's class, so I'm going to select Add. And this is the reteach here. So I'm going to go back to the main tracker and show you where it reappears. For her class, it reappeared right here to the side, and she's got to go in and formally grade each, just the student that was in red. So she's going to go and give this student a new grade and give this particular student a new grade. And any other student that was in red, she's going to have to give them a new grade. Okay, here's an upper grade class that has a couple of power standards that need to be retaught. So here we go with ATO 8. I'm going to click inside the standard. I am going to go to Add Assessment, go to the community. I am already at ATO 8, and if you look right here, I already have a reteach created. So I'm just going to click Add to Trackers. Again, I slid my screen over so that it protects the names. So the screen popped up. I'm in Miss Clay's class, so I'm going to click Add to Tracker. And now I have the pre-CFA scores, the post-CFA scores, and then the reteach CFAs. Now, the only students that I need to assess are the students who still have red. So this student would need to be retested, this student. So you can pull them in small groups or create a station for them to go back and retest after you've retaught. I hope this helps.